It's a dedicated children's space for books and arts.
Such a beautiful and welcoming space.
It's an old heritage house. It's really kooky. It's been kind of growing over many years.
It's really immersive and experiential. There is a magical feel, and I think that does seem unique.
When you walk past, it looks like a tiny little boutique shop, and then you say, go upstairs and check out the gallery and check out behind in the courtyard, and then they look through the windows and they can see some amazing artists and writers working furiously away. And then we have book launches here and workshops and open days.
What I like about this place is probably because I get to go here for book club, because I go to the book club here and I like discussing about the books.
It's about kids coming in and picking up a book for inspiration, but developing their own stories from their own minds and getting them down through the workshops that we do here.
They've got so many different things going on here, you know, the fact that there's the book clubs, there's the craft activities that the kids can take part in here, and there's a lot of reasons to come.
We are big on here at Paperbird, our Indigenous Australian literature.
You can come to Paperbird and you can hear a Noongar storyteller tell their story in language like they've told to children for thousands of years. Kids love Indigenous stories, they love the magic, they love the familiarity of the locations and of the animals. Really ignites their imagination.
It's a great place for kids and for creators of stories.
It's beautiful to have a space like this that is so nurtured and so welcoming.